This AI tool let you create 3D and augmented reality experiences for your marketing campaigns, products, and even the services. You can create the brands. There are a lot of cool 100 plus templates available. With a single click, you can customize with your text, images, or the videos. And after that, you can share it with your users, friends with a single click. There's also the QR code available that will help them scale, and after that they can view this 3D augmented reality in straight out of their mobile phones. So hey guys, this is Basant here and welcome back to SaaS Guru YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about a 3D augmented reality maker platform. That name is the Popmii.com, and its lifetime deal is straight out of AppSumo, starting from just $49. You can create 3D immersive augmented reality experiences for your marketing without any code. You can even embed them any of your WordPress site or any other coded website with a single click, or the iframe codes. You can add your own 3D files, upload them, and best part, you can just send out to your friends with this single link. So this deal is really the cool and out of box marketing thing. You can get it right now, and I'm going to give you a detailed demo how this platform works and what are the features available. But first let me talk about the plans and features. So in this single plan you can create up to the 5 campaigns, means you can create up to these kind of the 5 projects in the single plan, and these will be active. If you delete any of them, you can again create the new one, and this will empty the credit. Then there no pop-up branding or the Popmii branding will appear. Unlimited 3D models, you can upload unlimited media storage you can do, and this is only for the one user. If you want more increased credits, you can go with their tier 2 and tier 3 plans. Here you will get the 3 users, 15 active campaigns, and in the tier 3 plan 15 users and the 50 campaign you can deploy in the one account. So this is the lifetime deal. You want to check it out, the link will be given in the description. Now let me go to its platform and give you a demo of this feature. So this is the platform. If you go to the template section, here you will find out all the templates here, and let me go to the this game section, and here you will find out the more 3D things. Okay, so this is the game section, and here are all the 3D things. You can choose any of them, and if you want to create for your products or for business services, just go to the business category, and here you will find out all the business cards you can create, and you can just send out the links. They can just scan it, open their mobile out of their camera. This augmented reality thing will be pop up out. So let me show how you can edit any of these ones. So let me select this one, click on preview, and here just click on use this template, and now this template is importing on the editing panel, where you can change the text, you can change the image or the video. So it can take some time to loading up the editor, so you have to wait around the 10 seconds. Now it is asking me name, so I'm going to add my business LinkedIn account. Okay, now let's click on the here we go, and here we have our editing panel here. So editing is really easy. You can see this is the main screen for the where all the editing we will done can preview, and this is the personalization section. Here you can see it is asking me to upload the video, so simply click on the import video. You can import from your desktop, and now use any of these one. For example, let me use this one. Then here it is asking me to upload the logo. Again, let's go to the uploading the logo. Let me select any of these ones so I can just give you the idea. So let's select this ChatGPT logo here, validate. Then we have the logo link. You can add your logo link, so I'm going to add my website link here. Then here it is asking me my LinkedIn profile link, so let's go to the LinkedIn, and this is my profile link. Let me copy it. You can also follow me here to get more insight views on the SaaS deals. Let's back to this editing panel, and here add the link for the LinkedIn. Then this is for the emailing address. This is my email address. Okay, and then it is asking me the main button text, so let's go with the learn more, and here this is the button link. You can change the colors. So once everything is done, you can just click on this next step. Let's click it here, and now it is going to publish this marketing augmented reality experience for your account. You can see your 3D experience is now ready. So I have to go to my unpublished experience, and there I need to click on the publish so I can publish it here. So this is the thing we have generated. Let's click on the 3 dots, click on the publish, and now oops, you're currently unable to publish experience. I think there's the something, my quota is full because I have tested a lot, but I have done a lot of the publishing here. So let's go to the published here. Once your augmented reality is published, it will appear here. Now let's click on the three dot again, and let me click on the copy URL. Let's back to new tab, paste URL and enter, and now we can check out how this augmented reality is working. So to give you a demo on which I have done the editing, I cannot able to publish it here because my quota is full. As for now, you can see the only 5 active campaigns we can launch, and I have done that. So this is the thing I have generated, and this is the link I have added, and that's how it will look like on your user's mobile phone or the desktop. So you have to click to play here, and now it is loading, and that's how it will look like. See, isn't it amazing? So this is the power of popmii.com. There's also the QR code you can scan through your phone, members for your friends or your visitors or your buyers. Okay, so this is the really cool out of box things, and currently this platform is only the $49 one time payment. There's also the 60 days money back guarantee if somehow you are not happy. And the best thing that I liked in this platform, there are more than 100 plus templates. You can find it here, and you can in this single click you can start customizing them. There's the new, there's the display, there's the birthday. If you want to wish out your friend's birthday, you can create these campaigns. There's the art, there's the business, there's the gift, there's the business cards, there's the cosmetics, resume, AR labels, there's the 3D games, all these things available. Okay, and if once you create any of these ones, this will how it will look like. If I play, let me open this one, 3D player, and you can see this is for the Colgate product. If I click on the augmented reality, this is straight out of your visitor's phone. Look like how it is amazing. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I want to talk about Popmii Factory. This name is strange, but the platform is out of box, so you should definitely test it out. There's also the free plan, but what I suggest, get its lifetime deal, and you will get the 60 days money back guarantee. It's something like the 2 months free access you are getting. And somehow you are not happy or want to return this product back to AppSumo, no questions will be asked, and your 100% money will be refunded within the few minutes. So bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.